why is it na ang dumalabas sa NEP for a particular district, 1 point something million lang ang hinihingi mo? I have the records. Or 2.5 lang sa President's budget. Then suddenly, pagkalabas dun sa GA, bakit umabot na ng mga 21 billion? And nakita namin na talagang prevalent yung kondon, yung mga ghost and substandard projects sa lugar na yun. So what was the intention? No? Hindi naman tayo tanga. Nangyayari dito lumalabas na tanga ang Pilipino, kaya pabayaan mo na lang sila. Hindi na nila mapapansin yan. Nakakainsulto isipin. Nakakainsulto. Okay. Balikan ko uli yung press con na yan. Nilabas. And then, suddenly, tinabi na may conflict naman ako, being the mayor, and at the same time, being a member of the ICI. By the way, I'm not a member of the commission. I'm not a commissioner there. In fact, sila nga yung gumawa ng workaround nun na legal advisor investigator. Pero inis out na ako doon eh. Tinanggal na nila lahat. And then suddenly, here comes a below the belt naman na accusation na dahil merong project si Diskaya doon at maanumalyang tennis court. Sobra na yan. Yun na hindi ko matake. Di ba? Parang pinapalabas mo pa na korap ako. Yan na, mag-aaway na tayo dyan. Ano? Sa unang-una, sabihin ko nga, kung bulok ba ako, lalabanan ko yung mga very powerful na tao dyan. Diba? You have to make sure that you have the moral ascendancy bago mo labanan yung mga tao. Otherwise, masisira ka din. So nonetheless, I think I struck a nerve. No? I don't like to, expound further. But I believe I struck a nerve or several nerves na they panic at kaya ganun ngayon nangyari. So, I would like to end yung aking experience dyan sa ICI. But one thing that I can say is that there's no transparency. There's no transparency whatsoever. Nakita namin yan ni Secretary Vince. Tinago lahat. No? And they are just so comfortable doing it. They're not afraid. Imagine, hindi man lang nila naisip na paano ang taong bayan. Nakakainsulto pa. At ito nga, lately nga, sinabi pa na yung involved na congressman dyan, si Saldico, he did not abandon it. It was a sacrifice. My God! Nagdakaw ka ng bayan, kasi sasabihin mo, it was a sacrifice on your part. And it's not an abandonment. Ganyan na ba kababa yung standard natin sa Kongreso, Mr. Chair? Ganyan na ba tayo kawalang hiya ngayon? Manhid, di ba? Napaka callousness, hypocrisy. At nakakainsulto sa mentalidad natin Pilipino. Deeply rooted corruption is in our country today. It's structural. It's systemic. It's highly syndicated and well organized, Mr. Chair. Tama na. Enough is enough. Every Filipino deserves systems that are not only efficient, but also inherently trustworthy. And with that, trust must be built on systems. I would like to emphasize that trust is the cornerstone of any institution.